Drag the Mag. Before we get into this video, I'd like to give a shout out and say rest in peace to Jamal Edwards, the founder of SBTV. Massive inspiration to everyone. Sadly passed away on the 20th, age 31. So yeah, massive shout out to him. Also to the 4 people that lost their lives during the storms that we've had. Yeah, I've joined up with Martin today from Peterborough Magnet Fishing UK. Gonna go back to Coventry, and this time we are gonna hit the bridge in the basin first. If that's no luck, then we have got the pool that we went to, pond pool. Total, I think there was about 420 kilograms pulled out, probably more because of the trolleys and the bites that the friendly chap took away, the park ranger. So yeah, we're gonna hit up Cov, start there. Should be alright. It's not I wouldn't say it's early morning, it is early morning, but it's getting a lot brighter now in the morning, so summer is just around the corner really. Yeah, I'll bring you back when we get there. Whilst we're on the way, check magnetstore.co.uk. Once you find the range of magnets that you want, use my discount code DTM10 and that will get you 10% off your purchase. Or if you want to go over to Online Magnets, Martin's affiliated with them, use his discount code POSH10, capital P, POSH10, and that will get you 10% off their magnets as well. Sweet, bring you back in a sec. So we are finally in Coventry. This is where we parked last time, and then headed down to the pool, pond. Got a bridge there, another sort of bridge there that's not in use anymore. You got slipway in straight to the river, cars can put up or get on there and dump stuff in. And you've got this section just down there as well. So we're gonna get kitted up and get sorted out, and then get to the bridge and throw the magnets in. Bring you guys back in a sec. So I parked the car just there. Both me and Martin can see it. Gonna try here first. Straight in, river's there, and then work our way towards the bridge. Probably maybe try that bit later on, just down there where the graffiti is on the wall. Just zoom in so you can see it, just down there. So yeah, got our kit ready, just got to set up the magnets and the tripods and whatever. Bring you back in a sec. So yeah, I'm using the tripods. First time for a while, to be honest. Gonna do a couple of live shots. The wind noise, not too bad at the moment, but if you hear it then I do apologise. Nothing I can really do about the wind. Sticking my other lot of gloves on. I'm using the G120 from Magnet Store. Alright, let's see what I get on the first plug. Once I've untangled this quickly. In. You know what? fry. We have some scrap there. CD. Oh no, it's not CD. It's another one that I've got from Coventry. Ooh. Some people are a bit naughty around here. Bit of metal. Some kind of pipe. Yeah. There's some square kind of device thing. And then already started with the plastic. And first penny. I got a penny, I got a penny. That one's for you, Sonic. Hope you're alright, mate. So yeah, gonna throw the magnet in again, see what else we can find. So yeah, second throw in, let's see what I can find. So yeah, the river's quite high today due to the 3 storms that we've recently had. Steel toe cap boot. Not sure how old that is. That's cool though. Just some thin bits of metal. So yeah, third time lucky. Let's see what we can find. Just the odd bits of scrap metal on that throw. I think interesting. Bring you back after I've done a few more throws. So, fourth throw. Got a bar. Not sure what that is, to be honest. Thought it was some old fire bell, but it might not be. If anyone knows what that is, drop a comment. A bit of scrap and a bolt. Some kind of handle to something. metal plate. So had a few more throws, just keep getting a little scrap. Got another one of these up. Martin's had a few of these as well. Not sure what they're from. Then a nail and a bingo item. Chav can, which is on the bingo list. Chav can, trolley, hammer and spanner. And then big old chunky file. And then go and find a padlock. Not sure whether it's an old one, but gonna quickly give it a brush down, see if I can get any markings on it, take it home, clean it up. So yeah, cleaned it up a little bit. There is some kind of writing on it. Can't really see what it says. BEL something. So yeah, gonna take that home, clean it up, and I'll post photos on the Facebook page. And then I've also gonna got this. Reminds me of a handle to a safe maybe. Put this in, put it around. So a handle to something. Or a door handle. So got a spade there. File, another padlock. That's the big drain cover. Got some big metal iron bit there. Couple of poles. Ding ding. And this, which is an old scooter, the remains of a scooter anyway. It's definitely not a rider. So here comes the rain. And I've just found this. I'm not sure whether it's part of a cap gun or whether it's just an ornamental flower design. Another find to take home and clean up. So got a handle to something. Another 2p. Got a few more coins than that, to be honest, but I'm not going to show the camera every time I get a coin. I will show them all at the end though. And then ding ding, small circle washer. So yeah, the rain's come down, so I've had to take my hat off and put the hat over the phone, stop it getting wet. It's helping a little bit, but we are approaching the bridge. But we're getting stuff from this spot, so we're going to keep trying here and see what we can find. So yeah, little cash box, nothing in it, just water. You can hear it splashing about. Yeah, it's a small little cash box. So I'm going to have to find something to try and weight this down because this fell over. Again, luckily I've got a case on it this time. So yeah, a few more throws. We've not even hit the bridge yet. The bucket's full. We've already got a pile of scrap as well, so we'll probably have to load the car before we hit the bridge. Been here about an hour at least. Quickly show you the bucket. It's literally full. Another pile over there. Just in an hour. So I kind of lied when I said there's nothing in this cash box. You can. Let me get him out. Come on. It's a tiny little crayfish. Look at that. That's a tiny one. But that'd be going back in the water. How tiny that one is? There you go. This one's for you, Sonic. Ding ding. So yeah, we've moved under the bridge now. Rain was coming down. It's stopped now. Keeps starting and stopping, starting and stopping. But we're under the bridge, and it's yeah, it's going to stop the camera having to be covered up all the time. So I'm going to get throwing, seeing what we can find under here. So my first throw under the bridge. Got a manky bar. Some kind of transformer, I believe. I'm not sure. and then a pram wheel. So yeah, there's stuff under here. Right, the bucket's full, the scrap pile is full. Me and Martin are gonna give up magnet fishing. Instead, we're gonna dig the river. Look at the size of this. Wow, that's massive. I'm joking, we're gonna have a few more throws here. You've got the canal basin just around the corner, another little bridge as well. So, you know, this bridge, apparently it's not a pedestrian bridge, but there are pedestrians using it. You know, a bit of water, anyone's gonna dump anything. You know, it doesn't matter if it's private land, local land, they will dump wherever they want to. So yeah, bring you back in a sec. Now, I have just gone and found a scooter. And it's a rider. So yeah, it's a Razor scooter. Give it a quick clean up. Nothing wrong with it. There you go. An old white seat, I believe. There you go, a few more throws. Got another bingo item. This was in a big clump of metal. I saw this kind of shape, so I started whacking it. And yeah, I've got a spanner. This, probably to a pressure washer or something like that. Flat bit of metal, a couple of bars, big bent nail, and some pipe. So we're gonna get the stuff and head under this bridge. Bit of shelter there, it's sort of flat on the bottom. This bridge here, it's got holes, so you're not really keeping yourself dry under there. So I'm gonna try under this bridge and see what we can get. So yeah, the sunshine's come out now. A quick fag break and some coffee. Made this at 6:30 this morning, believe it or not, and it's still piping hot. So here's some of my finds whilst I'm here. Pulled out half a pair of scissors, and then on the second throw, when I found the other half, and another pair of scissors as well, another file. This was wrapped around a twig stuck to a bit of metal, so a fishing lure. Got a handle to something, and then this kind of cog. Not sure what it's to. It could be a wheel, but it's big though. So yeah, just gonna have a quick fag break, coffee break, and then throw the magnet back in there. So yeah, just been having a read of this. So that would have been the car factory opposite. Quickly show you some of my finds as well. Got this chain with 2 hooks on the end, and then this, I believe it's probably from a boat. They put it on the roof and tie the rope around in a figure of 8, maybe. And then just a long metal bar. And this is broke, but it's a sad iron. So I might have just used the magnet, tied it with a little bit softy pathway. We've got one pile just up there where the car is. Got the second pile. We've cleaned up. We're not packing up. We're just heading down towards the basin area. Let's see what goodies are in there. So yeah, bring you back when we get there, or if we find something while we walk along. You know, me and Martin do the famous walk and clunk. So yeah, we'll probably throw our magnets, walk with them if we can, see what we can find. Well, me and Martin thought, because of the amount of stuff that's coming out, no one's been here before. Walking towards the canal basin, and come on guys, this could have gone in a black bag, in the bin. Use dippers and scrappers. You know, I'll put the link in description. So we've come here, they're cutting down the tree, but I can hear a horn going. And yeah, there's just been an accident here. So police are pulled over, the car's gone straight into the back of them. So police are dealing with that now. Yeah. So this time it weren't me and Martin that called the boys in blue. Well, wow, that's definitely a write-off. So yeah, pretty much see the damage now. They're probably waiting for recovery to come and get it. I presume the car in front was probably trying to turn right and the car behind didn't see it and broke and slammed its brakes on. And there you go, gonna got a bite lock. It's been cut either end. There you go, recovery trucks turned up to take the cars away. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the car looks like. So yeah, recovery guys moved the first car in front. He's gonna then get his truck and reverse up to this one to then, I suppose, load it onto the back of the truck. So yeah, I was about to say, Martin, we've not found a, and then I pulled one out. Wouldn't be the same magnet fishing if we didn't find a fence post. Sorry about the noise, they're getting all the trees out of the way. You must have fallen over in a storm, or it's leaning over. But I've gone to see Martin. Martin's on this spot. I thought the fence went all the way down, but it don't. You've got a slope here with a road in. So yeah, he's reversed the other car behind that one, put his truck there, then he's going to get this car onto there, probably use a winch and drag it up. This is where me and Martin go and get a safe and say, excuse mate, and leave your winch. And yeah, the other one will probably link onto the back somehow. The other one is drivable though, he did get in it, reverse it behind this one. So yeah, he's gonna load that one. Me and Martin are just having a quick cigarette break. Left the magnet in there to sink. Big grey cloud coming back over. Weather's been alright today, and then you've got an ambulance as well. So yeah, it was about half an hour probably. Both cars are now loaded, drive off, half an hour road closure, one lane anyway, this lane's still open. Quick response from Coventry Police and Coventry Recovery Team as well. And once again, the sun's out. Got some kind of handle to something. The bit to push back, it's just got one pedal. I pulled this chain out, that's got this linked through, so whether it was an anchor for a boat or it's weighing down something, I'm not sure. And then just a edge piece in, probably part of the old siding. So yeah, the Bennett's ice cream sign does belong to the calf. She's just told me that some kids threw it in, so not got it. Needs a bit of a clean up, but well, another epic day here in Coventry with Martin from Peterborough Magnet Fishing UK. It's been an epic day. I mean, look, I'm in a t-shirt. That's how warm it is. I mean, it's not summer, but Martin's even in a t-shirt as well, like you can just barely see him, but yeah, short sleeve. But yeah, just about to see all the scrap loaded. That's not that good, but yeah, there's a lot of scrap, full load again. I've had to collapse my boxes, 2 big bollards as well in there. Yeah, There's a lot of weight, to be honest. All 3 piles are reloaded, no scraps left behind. If you're still watching this, thank you for watching. It's really appreciated. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when my next videos are. Also, check out CJ Faison if you're into your exploring videos, your randonauta. He does a lot of them, to be honest. Thought I'd give him a shout out. So yeah, it's a goodbye from me, and it's a goodbye.
See you later.
And we'll catch you on another adventure on Tuesday. I'm with Martin, but I might be out this weekend with Harry that I met up with the litter picking. We've got a car park to clean. So yeah, thank you. Hit the like, share this, and I will catch you again soon. Keep smiling.